Hey, hello guys, Brian back here with a Theta update. It's been a little bit since I did a Theta video, but thing is starting to look pretty decent here. We're coming up against the first resistance area here, and looks like it's wanting to break out of it. Alright, so we're going to dig deeper into this in a second, and first off I want to show you the market real quick, okay? Here's the weekly numbers out there. Pretty crazy. Definitely getting some massive bumps out there. The month, we're still down. COSPA there, boy oh boy, look at that. Love that token, 52%. Stacks up 30 for the month. Okay, the week we are just tearing it up. For the day, still more green out there. Things are looking very, very good, which is obviously kind of strange, okay, in one way. All right, first off, I want to show you guys something here which is really baffling me, okay? We're going to go over here to my other charts. Okay, I want to show you this. Bitcoin dominance. Anytime Bitcoin dominance looks like that, okay, usually the altcoins are getting destroyed. Alright, you go back through history, anytime you see big green candles like that on Bitcoin dominance, the altcoins are down 20 or 30%. That's not happening this time. Okay, you're seeing massive runs out of this market. Bitcoin dominance is up to almost 52%. And this market is still exploding right now, okay? Bitcoin itself, this thing is broken out of that wedge, alright, and it is just tearing, alright? If we zoom out here on the weekly, I want to show you guys some stuff to pay attention to, okay? If all this happens and works out, alright? $31,527, so call it 31.5, alright? If we get above that, things are really going to get exciting for this market. Back in 2017, alright, it took a while for a retracement to come in there, alright? What we ended up doing, we ended up going to a 702 right here, coming back down for the rest of our, but finishing out pretty much our bear market, and then we had our bull run. Alright, we had our bear market low in already, which I believe we do. Look at the time frames though. June and July of 2019. We're in June and July of 2023, okay? We had our peak of our bull run back here in December of 17. We had ours in what was it, November of 21. Okay, so a month off there. The retrace is about the same. We're figuring next fall for our bull run. This started in September and October of 2020. We're thinking September and October of 2024. The Bitcoin halving is in April next year, in the spring. So this was COVID right here. So we're looking at a retrace coming back down for an extended period of time, and then our bull run. Okay, we move back over here to current time, expecting the same thing. What I find kind of odd here, okay, I want to show you guys something, how this lines up. If we go to the weekly, if we pull the RSI up, okay, the last run we had on this RSI right here that started, okay, was this run right here, okay, right through here. Now if we take a measurement of that run, stick with me here guys, because this will all make sense in a second. We take a measurement of that, alright, right up to that line. Whoops, a little crooked. Let's straighten that out. There we go. We take and put that on top here, because our weekly RSI once again is reset down here. Okay, then we pull this down. We're looking for a 702 Fibonacci retracement level. Alright, pull this down. Hang in there a second. Stick with me here guys. Look at that. Right on the dot. Okay, we have our weekly RSI reset again. If we do the same exact move we just did with the weekly RSI, we're looking at a 702 retracement. People are going to be screaming for all-time highs right here. I don't believe it's going to happen. I believe we're going to come down. We're going to flatten out for a period of time, consolidate, and then next year we're going to have our bull run. Alright, so keep an eye on that 31,500. During the last bull run, that was our major support area right here. Right here was support, here was support. Once we lost that, we got rejected trying to regain it here, and we haven't been able to regain it since. So moving on here, the DXY, of course, that dollar index, the more it rolls over, we have bearish divergence on it down here on the bottom. Right down here we have bearish divergence. If you look at, let me see here, think it's on the daily. Get back on the daily. I just did a video here, and there it is. Okay, if you look on the bottom down here, we have this this low, and we have a lower low. Here we have this low, and we have a higher low. So that's bearish divergence on the daily. It looks like it's playing out because the daily RSI is rolling over on this, on the DXY. Don't want to see a dollar crash. I just want to see a lower high come in, and that's going to help crypto run. Okay, once we go down through here, the total market cap of crypto, we had an inverse head and shoulders forming right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Got the breakout. That's the total market cap of all of crypto breaking out. This is the market cap without Bitcoin right here. Same thing. We had the inverse head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. You can see it better on the 4 hour, just so I can show you guys. There you go. Beautiful, perfect head and shoulders. Okay, yesterday we were right back at resistance, and we busted back up in here now. All right, so if I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe, I would appreciate that so very much, guys. Thank you. I got a great group here, and we would love to have you along. So, all right, the first area, well, you can see here, it looks like our trend line should be right about there. We're coming up against that resistance right now at 71.5 cents. You know what I find really interesting here? If we go up and zoom out, 71.5 cents, okay? And this coin, this is crazy. This coin had an all-time high of $15.88, all right? We had a bear market low of 57 cents. What's that, a 20x, just to get back to the all-time high? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 or 30x, something like that. I'm just winging it off my head here, but yeah, it's a lot just to get back to the all-time high. So if it does that, the next bull run and then some, could be a very profitable coin. Not financial advice, but just saying. Last bull run, I ended up getting, Cardano for 4 cents. Gala Games, I got 250,000 Gala Games for $37. 37 bucks. I got it when it just launched. I'm not bragging, I'm just telling you what can happen in these bull runs. Insane stuff. I got Matic for, I think 2 cents. It went up to $3. Just craziness. So, just be prepared, Things can really get nuts. I'm excited for you. If you've never been through a bull run, I'm excited for you because it'll be the time of your life. They're a blast, that's for sure. Okay, so you can see we're coming right up against resistance right now. We got the daily RSI still heading up. It's at an 83 and a 66. We have the weekly just heading up. Okay, it's at a 8 and a 4. So that's what you want to see right there. Down the bottom, it's at a 37. That's the big one. That weekly RSI, you can get some massive moves. Okay, these were bear market moves in here. All right, if we're heading for a retracement out of this thing, just to get the retracement levels, this thing would have to get to a 618 or 702. Look at this, nothing but down. Let's put a Fibonacci on here just to get back to retracements. You're looking at $8.12. It's at $9.81, 618, 702. So I expect this thing to, if we are going into a retracement, this thing is really going to start moving, I would think. So we have a weekly green candle starting on this thing, and then we're going to have this second line of resistance coming up here, and then we got a lot of air up to $2.66 up here. Not much resistance at all. So this thing is just starting to go. All right, guys, thank you so very much. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon.